How are we doing, alright? Oh, thank you very much. Cheers, buddy. Thank you very much.
Rose, off the road.
Hello.
That's insane.
Hello. Hello. Oh, what the fuck? Excuse my language.
No, keep looking.
I am looking.
Follow the deck all the way around.
We're up the stairs as well. Check these windows as well. I'll check these windows in a bit.
Yeah.
We'll check things today, and then tomorrow I'll start.
Nino was the previous warranty rectification team's most experienced gel coat finisher. He decided to fly across the world at his own risk to help finish our home and rectify damage left behind by others. Nino has chosen to leave his previous employer and job security behind to come here. He is, at the time of writing and filming this, going through the process to be employed directly through Leopard Catamarans, having spent thousands of pounds of his own money on insurance to meet the requirements that they have for direct engagement. Why go through all this trouble for what some might consider just another job when his skill is in such demand worldwide? Because like us, he believes he's doing what's right.
We're just knocking back a few little burnies, so we've got a few high spots, a couple little high spots there, and then these are already in there. So we've got a high spot, these are just little chips, chip damages, little high spot, just taken out, and then little high spots here, and then just basically just little works.
So just getting the side of the hole completely prepared.
I'm going to get all this side for now today. There's a day's work doing all that today. I want to go through, I've got to put gel on it, I've got to redo gels. Down there's a little bit different. You've got a couple of ripples and stuff I need to look at in depth, because I don't know what's going on there. Other than that, yeah, this is fine, and then we're going to get some stickers on as well, hopefully this. Yeah?
I'm very excited for this.
Oh, I'm excited as well, really. Yeah, so I want it to be perfect.
It's built different.
Oh, it's built different, yeah.
To start off, Nino is focusing on retouching, fixing up, and finishing previous repair attempts, repairs that haven't been started, and collateral damage on the bows and along the hull join under the waterline, with a side mission of starting the artwork that goes on the front. Leopard Catamarans are still working on organising supplies, and the next team who they've assured us is coming. So in the meantime, Nino is using his own supplies and the gel coat that Trent went ahead and ordered earlier this year. Marcel from Leopard Catamarans Cape Town, who was our primary contact when the boat was handed over and underwent the warranty and aftermarket works there, helped to facilitate the delivery of the OEM NCS gel coat from South Africa.
Alright, let's straighten them. That'll kick off a little bit. I'll get a bit thicker. I should go put a second one because they should have gone off a bit, do you know what I mean? Hopefully.
Progress to plan.
Right, so I'm working through the whole getting ready for the stickers, yeah? So I've come back to my main area, which was finished, so I've photo out evidence of, so if anyone questions this. But I've noticed I've got pigtails, and pigtails are little swirlies from the hard discs. So going down to like, let's say even to 120, the 40 disc, they will leave little pigtails in there from the disc marks, yeah? So you see around disc marks, which looks horrible when it's polished up. Yeah, so you go through the grades to get these out. You go up 400, 6, 8, 12, however you want to do it, into 3000, which I do it. So I've come along thinking this is all finished, ready for your stickers. There's a couple of little areas, the old hairs and little pinholes and that, but that was further on. That's in the job there, which I've got all out. Now I've realised that I've got pigtails all in here. So someone's gone over this work. I'm assuming.
After you left, someone did come up along this hole.
But they've gone down to a course. So someone's gone over that with a coarse paper and then just tried buffing it up. But they haven't done a very good job of it. So I've got some nasty areas, and just put your stickers on there. They will not stick properly. Do you know what I mean? And not only that, you want a nice, flat, polished area. Put your stickers on so we can work with that. Otherwise, you're just doing half a job, you know?
And you don't do half a job.
And I don't do half a job. So I've gone through my grades, I've checked the areas what I can see, so I'm about ready to polish up. So I'm going to change the adapter over, and set myself up polishing. Then we can set up this side, and then I'm going to go on the other side and probably have the same problem. But,
Yeah, I just looked at the other side and you've got pig swells on the other side too.
So I'm just going to have to go through that. So it's just a case of an hour, spend an hour, go through the grades, sandpaper, just going through it all again, or going through certain areas, probably the whole lot.
Yeah.
Just where the stickers are going. And then, so you've got a nice finish for stickers, and then they're done. That's another job out of the way. And anything beyond there, which I've already started anyway, as you can see these little areas here, they just need knocking back and then flattening and polishing, because I've checked everything else. Try to put up here as well. Smashing. Good job.
Alright.
A couple of little touch-ups. Other than that, it will be good.
The bows are ready, and today we're going to be putting the stickers templates on. So the original stickers that were on the boat had to come off because of the work. I mean, it's been a long time since they've been on, over a year, but on our boat, it's meant to have giant lager decals on the sides. The original stickers got taken off, a lot of work got done in that area, but we're past that now, so it's time for this artwork to go back on. But last year, rather than putting stickers on, it was floated to us that these could be painted on. And we really like that idea. It's something that's cool and unique. It's not going to be peeling off all the time. And it just was a project that made it a little bit more bearable, being stuck here for so long. So now that Nino's here, he's jumped on this project. He has a lot of experience with painting, as well as being a gel coat finisher. So today we're going to put the stencils that I had printed here in Trinidad on the boat, line them up, and that is kind of step one to getting this project done. So, in case you can't tell, I'm really excited.
Hey.
You've got gel coat on your sleeve 2 seconds in.
Touched it. That's dust.
It's a nice t-shirt.
It's dust.
Alright Nino, what's the plan?
The plan is get the sticker on. We're getting lined up for now. Yeah, so we've got a clean area, nice polished, nice and shiny. And then, yeah, that's perfect. Perfect conditions to get that on.
How long did that take to get that shiny like that?
It took me about an hour or so.
An hour, not a month.
No, it took me an hour. It took me an hour to flatten.
Not a month.
Well, maybe a couple of hours.
I can see myself in that.
I know. I hope so.
But it took you an hour.
It took me a
There's
couple of hours.
There's no swells in it.
No.
I
got a nice clean.
I thought the swells were standard.
No, usually they come with it, but you know, I'm not sort of into that sort of standard. I mean, I'd say my standard's a little bit more.
Stickles Marine isn't down here, Stickles Marine is up here.
We're up there. But I think I've got enough space.
Just grab it and have a look.
I believe I've got enough space.
It's alright, because if it doesn't work out, we'll do the crossbeam. We'll finish doing the crossbeam.
Yeah.
And then you can go on.
Yeah, because I've got that little bit on the other side, which is about there to flatten polish, which might be in the way as well, if that be the case.
It's 1.8 meters long, I think.
Right. Is that going to be longer? Is that going to be longer?
Something that's
Please
gonna
tell
be.
me.
Oh yeah, I would have paid you sick leave.
Wrong way.
Other way.
Stinks.
I would have paid you sick leave, Nino.
Oh, it stinks.
Stop sniffing it.
Whole kid's down.
You like, oh, it stinks, and then you keep sniffing it. You're a
Oh,
set.
mate,
You're
so
a
we
pet.
might have to go. Oh no, it's got to go a little bit.
Further back. See how this contour almost looks like a bit of this,
Yeah.
like it mirrors almost, and then
Yeah.
that kind of projects
Yeah, and that
backwards.
comes down a bit.
So
on
we
the
put
nose.
it back in Cape Town, so I was warned that the leading edge of the water might peel the sticker off, which is a fair assumption.
Yeah.
But this is going to be painted, so this can be as far forward as it looks good.
Yeah.
So I think further forward looks better than further back.
Yeah, I do.
That's my opinion.
I think this way will look
Yeah,
better. because
I
that's come
agree.
with that.
I think if you come down here and you match this line here through the sticker, to this line here through the sticker almost, keep them parallel. I'm gonna say this on camera because credit where credit's due. Sam wanted to do like a metallic fleck in the eye to make the eye shimmer.
I think it'll look
I
cool.
think that's a good idea. That's a good, a metallic like the blue. Oh yeah, blue good. Make the eye highlight.
It's got that bit, so it's coming over there a little bit, so I need to polish that tonight really. Right,
Takes as long as it takes.
yeah, no, wait a minute. Give me like an hour and a half. But then this side, right, so this side's good. So we get this side sticker on first.
Yeah.
Which is ready to go. Whole area is finished.
Looks amazing.
So there's no going back on there, so I don't need to go back past your sticker once that sticker goes on. What I'm doing now is work my way this way. So
We're ready to put the stickers on now.
we're ready to put the stickers
Everything's
on.
out there.
Everything's ready.
It's just got a wrangle time.
I've already wrangled him.
There
Where
it
is
comes.
There he is.
Ah! So you want to start with
Get out of it.
You want to
Get out of it.
start with
Get out of it. Get out of it.
You guys grab it and then go pin it up with some tape and we'll work out where it looks good. We'll just make a decision on what looks good.
Yeah.
Nino has finished sanding and preparing the hull. No more of those pigtail swirls. So it's time for us to do the positioning of the stickers, which we really have to make sure we get this right because once it's on, we're stuck with it.
I reckon it's got to be more square, look. He's put straight lines like that way, up to you, up there like that. Just measure, then just measure from that point to there, to the front.
I can't believe how this turned into such a fiasco. I must have asked Sam 1,000 times, you sure you want to do these for the paint job? This is like $700, these two stickers, to get them all cut out like this.
I can imagine, yeah.
And it just came so far down the line.
Now we're here.
Oh. I don't know. What do you think, Connor? Yeah. How did we decide with the digital images stage? Didn't we have a look at them?
You did. You were basically just lining the... You were using the nose, this shape at the top, and like the angle of the mouth as the main reference, but it was mostly the top. You wanted the top to kind of follow the contour of the boat.
Yeah, makes sense.
Like you didn't have it straight, you did have it angled slightly.
Like that, mate, he's got.
That's similar to how it
Oh, no, it's not too bad actually, looking at it. It's just picture, I'm just sticking to the line there.
look. It's good to have different people look at it so you don't go cross-eyed. I'm looking at the like.
Yeah, no, yeah. I'm thinking that goes well there.
Yeah.
That goes well there. Maybe we could go a little bit more that way.
Go,
The
push
nose.
it. You push it. I'll just grab it once you're done. Because then that way, this
That
fins
come up
on
a little
this
bit more.
geometry, this fins on this
And
geometry
that
instead of.
can come up to there then, so you've got the 2 points
You know what I mean?
sort of on the line.
Yeah, that's it. Put it there. I get a good feeling about that. Alright. What did they say to do for the installation?
I don't know.
I think you peel it off this gloss back, don't you, when you use this as an applicator?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's an application layer.
I just want to make sure that when I peel it, it comes off with this, you know what I mean? Yeah. It go on like transfer sort of thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then I wet it, put it in place, and peel this off after.
He's good at this too.
I'm just distracted. So we get one on.
I know my limitations, so when they were putting the sticker on, I just walked away because I know I put so much into these stickers and getting them printed. So I walked off, but I just walked back out again and they look so good.
Well, you know, we've got a sticker on it, we're on mint.
It looks lovely.
Little crease there. Right, that's not the because that's all coming out. Good thing about this is well, it's got the white background, so it's going to protect me when I paint it. When I paint, the white won't come off till last.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We can work out bit by bit. We're just going silver, paint that silver, do you know what I mean? Take out every little bit of silver.
Yeah.
I'll put the black over the top.
Yeah, a lot of the original design was black, gunmetal grey, and a couple spots of light grey.
Yeah, so we want to leave it on there for now as protection until it's ready to be painted.
That makes the most sense to me, because then you know you've got a completely clean area.
Oh.
Paper's still on there.
There's a thin strip of paper.
I blame Nina.
Yeah,
I blame
me,
Nino.
Blame me, mate. I left that bit on there for safety reasons. Oh no, it's because of that bit.
Going, why won't it stick?
I think we done well there, Ty, mate.
With that, the sticker for the starboard side is on, so now we just need to do the port side, and then we can start looking at actually painting our loggerheads on. One big change we're going to make from the original design is that the light blue eye on the lager, we want to change that to a metallic so it shimmers and lights up across the anchorage, which we think is going to look very, very cool. Next week, you can expect as part of the video a no holds bar interview with Nino, him giving his insights into what's gone on here in Trinidad in the last year. I've just let him talk and tell his story. So that will be a very interesting one for people who have been following our story for a while.